Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the new noise-cancelling wireless headphones from Zendure called the ZenPods. I would like to thank Zendure for sending me out a pair early for testing, but they didn't pay for this review, so my thoughts and opinions are my own. These earphones will be available on Indiegogo, so be sure to check out the links below if you're interested. In the box, these earphones come with a charging cable, some additional rubber tips in a few different sizes so you can find your best fit. The case is also fairly small and fits easily into your pocket and doubles as a charging case for the headphones. These charge by USB-C and the earphones are Bluetooth 5.0, which means you'll get a more secure and less latent connection. They're also IPX5 certified for light water resistance against sweat and light rain. Each of the earbuds have a touch-sensitive area on the back, which is used to control the functions. For the touch controls, it's a one tap to play or pause music, or answer and hang up a call. A double tap on the left earbud goes to the previous song, and a double tap on the right goes to the next song. A triple tap launches your phone's voice assistant, and pressing and holding for 2 seconds rejects a call, while holding for 3 seconds changes the mode from noise cancelling to ambient and then noise cancelling off. In my testing, I found that the touch controls are quite easy to use and quite responsive. One of my absolute favorite things about these earphones is that they have an ambient or transparent mode that allows you to listen to music and still hear the outside sounds. This is something that not many noise cancelling headphones that I've tested have, especially not in this price range. Only the more expensive Sony headphones tend to have this feature. It works quite well and lets enough sound in so that you won't miss any announcements on a plane, for example. However, it isn't super quick to change into this mode, as you have to press and hold for 3 seconds to get to it, and then it cycles through the modes to get back to noise cancelling. Nevertheless, I'm happy that this feature is included. The noise cancelling is quite good, although they're not quite as good as over-the-ear headphones, but for the size and weight of these, they're definitely more than adequate for noise cancelling minor plane or train noises or background sound in a cafe, for example. In my testing, the battery life has been quite good. The battery in the case is 300 mAh and each earbud has 35 mAh, and this gives enough for around 6.5 hours of playtime before needing to be recharged in the case. The case gives an additional 15 hours of charging time for a total of 22 hours of time before you need to recharge the case. Now the sound quality on these, they have a 13mm driver in each earbud, and the sound is quite good. The audio quality isn't the best I've heard, but you can definitely hear the music clear. The bass is present but not overly bassy. I would say it's overall on par with other in-ear earphones that I've tested. So the microphones built into these have a special clear voice algorithm that's supposed to make your voice stand out in a noisy area. However, in my testing in a few calls, people said I actually sounded like I was in a small echoey room.
So this is what the earphones sound like when you're talking to a phone call. For example, I'm using Skype to call myself and then record the audio, and this is what it sounds like. So while the ZenPods are connected to the computer, they actually sound pretty good and pretty clear, as you can hear right now.
Now, the pairing process while pairing it to your phone or a single device, for example, is fairly easy. Once you take the ZenPods out of the case, it goes into pairing mode and shows up in your Bluetooth menu. What's not quite so easy is if you want to connect this to multiple devices. When you want to connect it to another device once it's already connected to your phone, for example, you have to turn your phone Bluetooth off, then put the ZenPods back into the case, and then take them out again, and then wait for the pairing mode to happen, and then connect them to your laptop. And switching between them is not particularly fast or easy. You have to turn the Bluetooth off on the device that you want to disconnect from, or disconnect it directly from the device, and then put them in the case and take them out to put them into pairing mode and reconnect them to the next device. So they're not the best for multi-device support, but when using with a single device, they are very easy and quick to use. One thing I didn't like about these is if you press and hold too long on the touchpad, the earphones actually turn off or power down. And the only way to get them back on is to take them out and put them in the case and then take them back out again. So that is a little bit annoying. Finally, the retail price will be $119 US, which is on the high side, but you do get some great noise cancelling and ambient modes, which is not available on other headphones in this price range. The sound is quite good, and overall I think they're a great option to consider if you're looking for some compact, lightweight and portable noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones. Let me know what kind of headphones you use while traveling, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.